My mother had a hard time in Russia because her father died when she was quite young. She always wanted to go to school, but there wasn't money for the girls, so only the boys went to school. And my mother, her father had been a tailor, and he had this little hand sewing machine, and she was very gifted at sewing, and so she was sent into the town, into the village, to work for a Christian family as a seamstress when she was 13. And she would walk the several miles every Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon with the sewing machine on her shoulders. She would sew for this family all week, and she'd come home for Shabbos with some money for the family. Until there was a pogrom, and they were, I don't know if they were peasants or the Cossacks, that knocked on the door of this house and said, "I know you have a Jewish girl in here." They hid her in an armoire under blankets and pillows, and so they didn't find her. But that night they dressed her up like a peasant or a gypsy, and they brought her back home to her and said, "Don't come back." So she then, wasn't able to work in that way to help the family. But it was shortly after that that they got enough money together to leave Russia.